Hey gamers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you my game Charlie's Nextbots so far. Now I've already got this open. This is basically the main text. Like in Engish Nextbots, you know, it says like sample text or try again or huge L or something like that. This is my version of it. Now there's loads of ones. These are basically the same except one of them has no Roblox. But let me just show you them. R.I.P. noob. You died, lol. You're such a pro. You'll never survive me. I can't believe you're scared of a PNG. You can't even survive a PNG image. Hi noob. You dead lol. You are an idiot. You taste nice. Wow. Home.health equals 0. You died to a Nextbot lol. Sample text huge L. Lowercase death message lol. Error. Reloading. You're better off playing Minecraft. Label. You died in Charlie's Nextbot lol. So dead. Continue. You're dead. Haha. Try again. Respawning. If you're not going to try to survive, you may as well quit Roblox. If you're not going to try to survive, you may as well quit. You're so funny. You should have seen your faces. I don't know anymore. I don't care anymore about you. Thank you for wasting your life on trying to survive me. Now, players don't have a billion faces. I'm just going to change it to a face. But yeah, that's basically it. This is basically all the things. And this basically just changed it to there. Now, let me show you the ones which shows you like clobbered by and then the Nextbot's name. Let's just say the Nextbot's called Epic Face. Clobbered by an Epic Face, slapped by Epic Face, like that. Now, when you see this, what are you going to be thinking? Why don't I add stabbed and chopped or something like that? But you see, I've already inputted them, and it will take like 100 years to get them into all these Nextbots. And it won't take 100 years, but it'll just be a waste of time, because I already have some. There's no point in adding more. But basically, it's this feed one. Look. Slapped, killed, spawned, balled, disintegrated, demolished, ravaged, murdered, wasted, yoinked, plucked, cancelled, eliminated, slain, offed, clobbered, ended, kicked, punched, devoured, eaten, and deafened. And I know you're thinking, when I had stabbed, but it was like that. I had to do it to every single Nextbot. It took a while. Basically, just basically changes the size. Now let me just test it and make sure. Actually, I don't need to test anything. But this is basically what happens with that. Let's click play. By the way, I also have Rickroll Nextbot now. This is nerd. Watch this. Watch the death screen. Watch my death screen.
It's a discrimination to nerds everywhere. Okay? It's racist.
You see, the text that said that it's basically red. That one was that text which is inside the actual frame, and the other ones are inside each Nextbot, each individual Nextbot. That was white. That one was basically just the one which says like that's a killed by text, and the other one's just called text label. Yeah, I do have another map, but I decided to just keep it for a very long time in the future, because trust me, it's quite bad. Let me just go to it. It's like the entire map. It's huge, but it's bad. Look, this is like all it is. It's just this giant place. Oh come on, where's the other bit? Like, this is literally all it is. It's just this big giant place, and all that's inside is roads, grass and ground. That's all. So let me just go back to this. Let's go back inside the back rooms. Now, as well as that, I did make this thing called delete bot, but it doesn't work, so I may as well delete it. Now this thing, it may look like it's visible always, but actually it's only visible for mobile users, because you see where the shift to run it's unfair. So watch it. If I just play. Oh, where's it gone? Where did it go? Where did the thing go? Well, it's because if I just hold shift while running or whatever, while walking, I can run. My normal speed is 30 and my running speed is 48.
Audio jungle.
You see? That actually made me jump. Sorry. Yeah. But the next CD is 47, just one lower. But yeah, now this emote one. If you just press G on my keyboard, it does plays an emote, but not it doesn't play anything. But it's just really bad. This is basically just a normal thing. The main menu, that's the run button. Now, if I just show you what this run button does, let's just go on to test. Now, it won't work because of the way this works. On the actual mobile, it looks good. It's just glitched. See how it is? If I click play. Oh, here it is. And now I can run. But you see, when I die, I can't even turn around. This is so bad. See, if I die, it doesn't work like that. But yeah, it's actually because of the device shaped on the computer. It doesn't really work. But trust me, on a real one, mobile, it will work. It will. So yeah, that is my game. I've actually got some animated Nextbots. Okay, I'm gonna add another Nextbot. Let me think. I'm gonna add Flopper. Okay. No, what am I doing? Replicate storage, bots, main, duplicate, right click, rename it to Flopper. Let's change the audio to audio. Flopper. By the way, that Nextbot thing, that was just for like when I was like trying to actually figure out how on earth to get that text, you know, saying that clobbered by nerd or whatever. It's all randomized. I couldn't do that. It's not for the other one though. It's just it wouldn't work. I've been working for like an hour or so, like 2 or 3 hours. So yeah. Anyway, let's find one. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be that one. Copy acid ID. This audio is the kill sound, by the way. Now, if I just play it, you see the volume 0, so it won't play. This is because if I don't have it volume 0, my script that I did, I'll show you in a minute, it won't work, and therefore you'll hear a bunch of sound effects, even though there's no Nextbots in the game. It'd be annoying. Okay, so music. Now let's just go into here, the image label. Not model, images. No, I want that one, it's closer. Copy acid ID. Deco. Right click, let's paste. Now, if I can find it. Oh yeah, it's literally inside them. Fix. Local bot equals script.parent.parent. Local sound equals a script.parent. Local volume equals to 5. If bot.parent can refine for child of class part, then sound.volume equals to volume. Yeah. And that's inside it. All these in this script is basically, let me just see. Yeah, that just plays it when it kills a player, or in other words, touches it, because I can hear it. Alright, anyway. Yeah, okay. So, if I just noticed, if I just do something, basically, workspace. Now, I'd have two parts. I know I said find this child of class part, but I'm just going to keep two in say. So one of them is just called part. And just in case the find this child of class part, it thinks I'm just saying find this child, even though it's very unlikely. So it's just a part. And this .tp is basically whenever a bot goes in the game, it teleports there. It's always in the same place. That way, it's not outside the map. And I don't need to put it anywhere. It's just automatically there. No, yeah. Let me just. This is all my ambience. I have loads, but right now it's just a buzzing light. Let me just show you. The buzzing light is the one that's currently playing because we're in the back rooms. It's just that. It's that. Now the city is this. Sorry about that. I'm gonna have to come over in a minute. Anyway, this city night. Same except in night. Daytime. Eerie. In a cave sort of. Forest. Horror. Neighborhood. Night. That one. And finally spooky. I would show more, but I probably gotta go now. But I'm just gonna real quickly show you something. Spawn random bots. Local bot folder equals the game.workspace.storage.bots.main. Local bot TP equals the game.workspace.nextbots.bot.tp. Now these are all the Nextbots. Bots.main, not bot TP. And let me just add in a flopper, because otherwise it won't spawn. I did that with Recall yesterday. So, but I had to fix it today. So I need just do a comma, that way it won't glitch. I mean, I don't need to do a comma because there's nothing behind it, but yeah, that's what I mean. And now, like you do, local nextbot equals to random bots, and square brackets math.random 1 comma space hashtag random bots. And then local clone bot equals to nextbot clone. Clone bot.parent equals to game.workspace.nextbots. Clone bot set primary part C-frame bot tp.cframe. Wait 30, end. Specifically spawns a nextbot every 30 seconds. Now this one toggles the death screen. I don't need a timer. That was from another game. I copied it from another game. Why do I need a timer? Players.player added connect function player. Player.character added connect function character. Local human equals to character with a child humanoid. I do now do home, but there's no point in changing it because it'll just take a while. It's already working. So human.died connect function died. Player.player UI find first child bracket speech death screen wait for child bracket speech frame visible equals to true. End. We're square bracket. We're bracket over the end. We're bracket over the end. And we're bracket. You don't really need to do write down the end of bracket over, because if you just do it, if you do the functions right, it will do that automatically. But let me just make sure it still works. The death screen.
We have, oh my god, it's 3 PM.
Now, this is because of the way it works, but it still works, the dev screen, so yeah. File, you probably can't see this bit, but it's basically file. Let's click publish your Roblox. Now, you see this bit at the bottom, that's publishing the Roblox. It's a close place. Now, gamers, thank you for watching, and I will see you later, or tomorrow, I guess. Bye.